On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments not showing in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and go to the apps right here. Now this is the apps page as you can see. So all what you have to do now is scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is very simple. Just click on this option, it's called data usage. And after that, scroll down and make sure to enable all those options right here. Now all what you have to do is very simple. Click on the storage, and after that click here on this clear data option, and then click on clear cache. Now the last step you have to do is click on the force stop option, and now the last step is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. If the problem didn't solve it, then check our other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe.